Hello everybody, my name is Matt Smith. I'm the Director of National Sales for GSG, and today I'd like to talk to you about parking lot lights and lighting on the outside of buildings. The big thing's been going lately is everybody's wanting to replace the standard old HIDs, 400 watts and high pressure sodiums with the LEDs. The standard thing everybody first came out with was the corn Cob Light. Of course, it looks like an ear of corn, but it's a very big light, very good, does a great job. This one's equivalent to a 400 watt HID. The problem with that one is it's so big that when you put it inside some parking lot lights, when you're trying to retrofit it, it's too big for it. If you're in a tight fixture, trying to do a parking lot light or fixture that you need a tight spot, this is where I recommend the half corn. The half corn is a very good light. This is actually the same amount of lumens as what that one is because it's all condensed in much tighter going down. Now, with all these corn lights, when you want to hook them up, all you're doing is disconnecting the ballast, disconnecting the lamp, and then just hooking the power straight to the socket, and this thing will screw right onto there. So again, these are two great options if you want to retrofit an existing, especially if it's a shoebox or a Cobra head is a very good example for that half corn. If your customer wants to replace the entire fixture, then we're going to come to the parking lot lights. Parking lot lights will go from 250 to 400 all the way up to 1,000. They're very easy to install. They're very lightweight. The big thing you want to know is what color rendering index do I want? What is my color temperature? What is my input voltage? Is it 110 to 277 or is it 480? That will make a difference. And then the mounting such. Once we get that information, it's very easy to place an order. Next over here is the wall pack. The wall pack is very, very popular because all of our buildings have them on the outside. Usually they're on the backs of the buildings where they're trying to get some security. You can see from this photo here, the shopping center had one in the back part of the restaurant and it was very dark and the employees didn't feel safe. So the owner put in a brand new LED fixture and you can see how much brighter it makes the entire building. So here's the LED, the 400 watt wall pack. It's very good, very sturdy. And you can see from this light pattern, it'll show you how it will spread out the light. The next thing I wanted to show you is the wall pack cutoff. Wall pack cutoff is the same thing. It's going to be in the back of a building over the doors where it's going to be, and very simple, but it also does a very good spread of light for security reasons. Then we're going to come down to the last thing is just your standard old floodlight. Very nice, it comes different wattages for what you would want. By this diagram here, you'll see the light pattern that would go to. Very light, very easy, and adjustable. Thank you very much for everything. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please contact myself or anybody at GSG, or we're on all the social media platforms, or just go to our website at gogsg.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.